Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. In 2021, the Salesians celebrated 40 years of their presence in Angola. In the capital alone, Luanda, there are 8 Salesian works that take care of parishes, oratories and shelters with a constant commitment to the weaker sections of the population. But beyond the capital, a modern city where you can seamlessly move from the skyscrapers of the center to the suburbs where there's extreme poverty, there's also the Angola of rural areas where people live on subsistence agriculture, daily jobs and small businesses. This is the reality in which the first Salesians sent to found a new mission on the outskirts of Huambo, 600 kilometers from the capital Luanda, have been falling since last August. Invited by local Archbishop Monsignor Zeferino Zeca Martins, SVD, 3 sons of Don Bosco, a Uruguayan, Vietnamese and an Angolan native of Huambo from the average age of 43, started the first Salesian community in the area. Last Monday, December 6, 2021, the Salesian work Cité des Jeunes of Lubumbashi in the south of the Democratic Republic of Congo experienced an unpleasant accident because of the strong winds that together with the rain hit the area. The roof of the boarding room for young people in need was swept away. On that day, at about 15:50 local time, the sky began to threaten rain, and within just a quarter of an hour, a thick thunderstorm had already been unleashed. The boys present in the work, who at that time were engaged in recreational and sporting activities, had to stop the shelter from the weather. In a short time, a storm broke that shook the entire building of the boarding school to the point of fully uncovering the roof of the building. The impact of the entire metal structure and sheet metal in contact with the ground was very strong and also caused many bricks to fall from the wall and break several doors and windows. On December 6, at Villa Bonaparte, home of the French Embassy to the Holy See, the intervention of the students of the National Center for Salesian Works of the Borgo Ragazzi Don Bosco in Rome was particularly appreciated. The ambassador, Mrs. Elizabeth Beton Delegate, during the celebration of the feast of Saint Nicholas of Myra, patron saint of Lorraine, in the presence of Cardinal Jean-Claude Hollerich, Archbishop of Luxembourg, donated to the guests the boxe mansion offered by Mrs. Michele Branchere Tomasini, ambassador of the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg in Rome. Also present was Jean-Paul Muller, SDB, General Bursar of the Salesian Congregation. The typical biscuits for the feast of St. Nicholas were made by the students of the cooking technicians course of the Borgo Ragazzi Don Bosco Vocational Training School, who practiced and experimented with their production for weeks. The fact that they were able to meet a whirl of diplomats and dignitaries unknown to them in the French embassy was an extraordinary challenge that they mastered very well, thanks to their teachers who accompanied them. The Salesian work Don Bosco Nzaikoni, belonging to the East Africa province, organized the monthly program of the Youth Festival, attended by 455 young people, who deepened and reflected on the theme of Destrena 2021 of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez ADMA, Moved by Hope. The young people were also introduced to the theme of Destrena 2022, Do Everything for Love, Nothing for Force. On December 8, the post-novitiate community of Kanlubang in the province of Laguna organized an online academy in honor of the Immaculate Conception with the aim of highlighting the various phases of Mary and demonstrating that, despite the pandemic, she is always a safe guide, a help and a source of hope. The event was organized with a trilogy of short video presentations to prepare the faithful, especially young people, for the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. The episodes have been broadcast since December 6 every day on the official Facebook page at Don Bosco Post North and through cross-posting on other pages. In addition, each member of the Post Noviciato was urged to personally contact their friends by sending the trilogy via chat, Instagram, Gmail and other means and ask for their impressions and reflections after seeing it. On the evening of December 7th, in the chapel of Mary Help of Christians in the Salesian parish of Our Lady of Fatima in Porto, Velho, Rondonia, in the Salesian province of Manaus, BMPA, a Salesian Marian Vigil was held in honor of the Immaculate Conception. Father Sergio Lucio, parish priest, reminded everyone of the importance of the date of the Immaculate Conception for the Salesian family, which marks the charismatic beginning of Don Bosco's apostolate. The Salesian family participated actively. The event included various moments with the prayer of the Rosary, praises to the Virgin, and some interventions by various guests. Francisca Dias FMA, Dean of the Laura Vicuna Institute of Porto, Velho, Philip Silveira, Salesian Cooperator, the Catechist Zuleika, and other members of the local community have in fact offered moving testimonies of Mary's intercession in their lives. The vigil, attended by 100 people, finally ended with a hymn to Mary Help of Christians and the blessing composed by Saint John Bosco. Zinho Fernandez, hailing from Sao Jose de Ariel, Goa, won the Jury's Choice Award for the music video titled Listen at the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival that concluded on November 19, 2021 in Valdocco, Italy. A member of Don Bosco Youth Services of the province of Panjim, DBYS-INP, Zinho Fernandez received the award at a virtual prize ceremony accompanied by Father Jason Cielho, Director, DBYS-INP. It's his hard work and love for music that led him to the global stage. It's an honor and a great blessing, and Zinho truly deserves a special moment, said Father Cielho, Rector Major of the Salesian congregation. Father Angel Fernandez ADMA congratulated and thanked Zinho at the award ceremony. Zinho conceptualized his first music video during the height of the pandemic lockdown and everyone in a state of fear. I thought of coming up with a song to give hope to youth during these troubled times, and the song revolves around having faith in God, said Zinho Fernandez. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.